my God, yes! Is my trot okay? You look awesome! Do you think it should go a bit more forward? Looking super! Is this the trot I would do for the Prince and George? Not more forward? You are so gonna win. You are amazing. Yep, so now go down the long side. Show me a 10 half pass. Are the shoulders leading? I think the shoulders are leading. That's an amazing half pass. Well done. I don't think it's half pass. Yes! 10, 10. You are awesome. You're the best. I'm not even doing anything. Well done. We are not moving. Great, great. So how can it be good? Oh no, that's okay, that's okay. You're great, you're great. Looking great, looking great. You are amazing. Don't need to change anything. Yeah, circle. Another circle. Yeah, circle again. How many circles? Yeah, good. Does this look okay? Do I look good? Yeah, a little bit more forward. Just ride him a little bit more through. Hang on. Yeah, hi. Oh my God, really? Oh my God. Hey, coach. Over here. Yep, hello. Do you want to teach anytime soon? Then what did you do? Yep, just keep circling. Just keep working on your circles. This is circle 573. How many more? Yep, forward. My nails are looking great today. Looks good. Yep, yep, keep going. Is his head a bit too high? Yeah, good. Can you get me like another 5 coffees? Like, is this the right contact for the advanced test? Good. Oh, he's a good girl. He's a good girl. Yeah? Okay. Good. Forward. Riding is about feeling. Just feel. When should I ask for the canter transition? When's the right time? Just feel the right moment. You will know when. How do I know what the right trot is? Like, should I ask for a more forward trot? Trust you will know when it's time. What are the aids for the walk transition? How should I ask for walk? The horse will tell you when to do it. No, you don't need to know how. Trust your inner self. Just feel the energy, use the energy. Use the energy around you, you can do this. No, that's horrendous. Who do you think you are? You cannot go to the competition like that. You will embarrass me. Do it again. Do you know what a straight centre line is? It's straight. I think it's straight. It's not straight. It feels straight. It looks straight. Do you know what straight means? Or are you a little confused? I don't really know what you're asking. I'm still learning. Do you think that's an excuse? Learning is an excuse? No. Stop it. No, I'm gonna have to do it. Stop. Brav. Good. Good, sehr gut. Yeah. I have no idea what she's saying. What is sehr gut? Does that mean I'm hungry? Wunderbar. Yeah. Why did I spend all this money to bring this European coach out? Kannst du nicht sprechen Deutsch? What is that question? Just smile, just nod, everything's fine. Hey riding superstars, I trust you enjoyed that video. I would love to know who your favourite coach was. Comment below. And if you would like to see more maybe instructional videos from a particular coach, we can definitely make that happen. So we'd love to know your thoughts, comments below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Hey riding superstar, are you struggling to find the dressage coach for you? I totally get it. And I know you probably, like me, really want to improve your dressage. You really want to understand it, you really want to enjoy it, and you really want to start getting results. If that's you, I'd love to invite you to my free dressage class. In this class, I'm going to teach you how you can get results, how you can have fun, and how you can start enjoying and understanding dressage in a whole new way. All you got to do is click the link on or around this video, and I'll see you in the free class.
What did you just make me do? I'm so embarrassed.